to another piano tutorial, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the Spider-Man Far From Home theme. Give you a quick preview of what you're going to learn in this lesson. So let's get right into it. So the first bit, the we're going to play E, A flat. And then you're going to have a 3-note chord on this one, which is going to be E, B, E, like that. And then for the next bit, you've got B, E, A, B, A, B, so B, E, A flats, B, like that. That's a 4-note chord, and pretty tricky here, but you can get used to it. It's pretty easy because you only need to remember B, E, A flat. And then just put the next B on the octave. Like that. And now we're going to go into that bit. So I prefer to do it with chords, but you can choose. You can do it with A, or A, or A, C, or that doesn't sound so good. So I prefer to do it in chords, and I think you should do it like that too, but of course you can choose. So I'm going to teach you how to do it in chords, but you can use the lowest note as an octave or just a note. So we've got A, C, A. We're going to go A, C, A chord, and then you're going to go on the right hand. A, C, A, D, E, F, C, A, C, D, E, F sharp, D. So A, C, E, D, E, F, D. C, A, C, E, D, E, F sharp, D. Like that, okay? And then for the chords, in terms of chords, we've got that A, C, E, A, C, F, A, C, E, and then A, D, F. So now we've got chord by itself, and then we've got the A, C, E, D, E, and then A, C, F, and F. C, E, A, C, D, A, B, and in terms of chords we've got A, C, E, F, A, C, D, F sharp A, E, G, B. E, G sharp B. So putting those two chords together, those things together, we've got A, C, E, then we've got A, and F, A, C. And then D and D, F sharp A, and then E, G sharp B and B. Then we're going to repeat that twice, okay? And then we go into the So easier because you've got running through the whole thing. And then you've got, for the right hand, you've got E, E, E. So E, 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 A, E. So E, 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 A, E. And then E, E, E. So A, E, E, A. I mean E, 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 A, E. E, 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 A, E, F, E, 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 A, E. I mean D, F, C. And then you've got D and D, F sharp A. Like that, okay? So I'll give you the whole thing to sound like this. I'll show you how it's done. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Please give a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. If you want me to do a specific one, please just hit the comments and I'll read it and then I'll make a tutorial on exactly what you requested.